friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve the craft. You think of aspiring and going far in leather crafting, this platform is a platform for you to learn a lot. No matter the level you've attained so far in leather crafting, this platform, you're going to learn something from it. Grading your pattern is the act at which you reduce or you increase the pattern you have to your desired pattern you really want to get out. Please note, you've gotten this will come in 45 and then you want to get it to 43. That is the act of grading, the process at which you get to reduce it from 1 point and get it to your desired sizes you want to get this to. That is what we call grading. So I'm going to be doing having a bit touch of the grading of the pattern in here. So to start with, I'm going to be grading this. To start with, definitely you're going to have your desired pattern. Here is one of the pattern we did on the platform. You can see this is a sort of basis, is a unisex buckle standard. This course is also available on the platform. This is one of the pattern here, and I want to grade this pattern right now. I'm going to be grading it for you to know how you can reduce this to your desired, to the point at which you want it to be. Please get notes. You can reduce this. You can do this digitally with your system. You can get to do this with your system, and at the other time you can get to do this way at which I want to do it. Doing it with your system is quite easy, but it's very gonna be very accurate when you get to do it on decks like this. You reduce, you compare and contrast if you're getting it right. So to start with, this is the size that I have in here, and to measure it, I have it at 43. This is an Europe size for the 3. This is for the 3, and I want to make this to go on for 44. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add just 1 unit to that 44. So to do that, I come in here, come this way, pick my pencil, okay, plain board, do that on a plain board. That I come pick my pencil, and I scroll around, mark around, mark around, mark around. Okay, I got this marked out round. This is the actual measurement I have with me, okay, and I want to get this to 44. So what I'm going to do is that since I've measured this to be 43, so I measured this to be 43, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here and I have from 1 to 44 here. So here is the tip. In fact, it's coming to the exact at the tip in here. Here is where it's meant to get to. It's okay. This is where it's going to get to. This is the easy way out. This is the point at which it's going to get to. From this point to this point, we are not working with this point again. We are working with this last point. So we then come in here to face our last, this pattern to the last tip here. Drop it this way, and then mark it straight up. Mark it straight up. Okay. So let's only increase this way to successfully increase it. This is, we leave this dormant now. This is not active right now. This is what we're going to use. We want to make to be active, and at the same time, if you want to make this for a wider foot, if the pattern you've designed is being designed for a slimmer foot, and I have a wider foot client that is requesting for that kind of project, what you just need to come in here is you come this way and increase it a bit at the side. This way you can see this is where it's being marked. This is where it's meant to be marked, but you come in here, pull it, and then just come like this and expand it a bit. Okay, it's been expanded, and what I'm going to do right now is to then cut this out. Come here to cut this out. Cutting this out right now. Okay, cutting this out. Yes, I'm working with the second line. Yes, that's what I'm working with. Okay, I'm coming here. Yes. And I have this. Okay, I have this out right in here. Check this out right now. Here it is. Here is the first one I will mark. Here is where it gets to. And then I dare to increase it again. So it has this one underneath has been increased by a unit away from this. So this is just, you can see, it's going to form the same shape of this we have in here is the same shape you have here. So this, you see, has been successfully graded. It has been increased from this to this. So that is the simple way at which you can get to grade. This is the simple way you can get to grade your pattern. Just follow it. This you'll definitely be able to grade even to as far as reducing, dropping from 4-5 units away from you. So that is it. This is how you can get it graded. I'm going to show you this, and the same method at which I apply to this is just a bit of tweak. That's what you're going to use to apply this for all this upper. So that is it. That is how you got to get pattern grade. So you want to know how to grade your pattern. For full details of how to get this out, you've seen how to get this graded. For full details of this and the full details of other patterns like this, please, there's a link in there. That is bonus for you. I have fully HD high definition video course comprehensively analyzed. There's a link in the description button. Click it to navigate you to the course. It's gonna take it. Go in there and take it free of charge. You like this video? I like you to give us a thumbs up, and not a subscriber on this channel, I like you to subscribe and share it just to encourage me and my other team to make awesome video like this for you to learn. Never stop learning.